Hi guys, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Okay, let's start today's class. Today we are taking a simple topic, clocks and calendars. Normally, this topic is not for all exams, but 50% of this placement exams, placement companies ask from these topics. So first we can go to, we just look the clocks topic, okay? In the clock topic, we want two equations for doing all the problems. We want just two equations. First equation is normally the clock from clock questions. Just they will ask for angle to find the angle between hour hand and minute hand. Then another question may come from mirror image. They will ask for mirror image. Then some theoretical questions are there. We will discuss that. First, just note down these equations. Angle made by an hour hand and minute hand at any time equal to modulus value of 30h minus 11 by 2m, where h denotes the hour and m denotes the minute. So just note down the equation. 30h minus 11 by 2m. Next, for finding mirror image means just I will draw one clock. Three o'clock, 6, 12, 9. Suppose time is 5:10. Time is 5:10. You have to find the mirror image of this. Can you say what will be the mirror image time? Suppose we are placing a mirror like this. What will be the mirror image? Is it 750? $750 or 650? Yes, 650 will be the right answer. For this, in order to avoid confusions, you can use one equation. Find mirror image. 1160 minutes. 1160 minus the given time, that is here 5:10. So the mirror image will be the difference of 1160 minus 1160 and 5:10. So 50 minutes, 6 hours. 6 hours, 50 minutes. So 650 will be the answer. Okay. Then we can only these two equations is sufficient. Then we can go to the question part. First question: find the angle between the hour hand and minute hand of a clock when the time is 4:20. Yes, 10. Answer is 10. Directly substituting the equation theta equal to modulus of 10h minus 11 by 2m equal to 30 into, here hour is 4 minus 11 by 2 into 20. Take the modulus value, 120 minus 110 equal to 10 degree. Option A. Is it clear? Say so no? Yes, okay, good. Next question. At what time in minutes between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, both the needles will coincide each other. What will be the answer? Directly substitute in the equation. Yes, to option 2. Correct. Speed up, speed up. 1 minute is sufficient for doing this type of questions. Both the needles coincide means the hour hand and min hand, the angle between hour hand and min hand is 0 degree. So just substitute in the basic equation 30h minus 11 by 2 m. Modulus of 30h minus 11 by 2 m equal to 0. 30 into h. H means 3 o'clock, between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. So it may be 3, 5, 3, 10, 3, 15, whatever may be. Anyway, our h means here 3 minus 11 by 2 into m. M we should find equal to 0. Then solve this for finding m. 30 into 3, 90. 90 minus 11 by 2 into m equal to 0. So 90 equal to 11 by 2 into m. 90 into 2 divided by 11 equal to m. That means 180 divided by 11. By usual multiplication we can find 18 one time, 11, then 70, 76 times 66, remainder 4. Therefore 16 minutes, 16 4 by 11 minutes. Okay, so time will be 3 hours 16 4 by 11 minutes. That is second option. Is it clear? Say so, no? Okay, all are clear. Okay, next question. Next, I have put here 3 questions in a slide. Let's just do this. How many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? Try to do it. What will be the answer? Arun, correct. Then next. Okay, I will explain you. How many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? That means the hour hand and minute hand makes an angle of 0 degree. Coincide means 0 degree. At 12, it will be coinciding. Then after 12, it will be coinciding in. This will be 12. It will be coinciding in 12. Then by 1:15 or 1 hour 6 minutes, like that, one coincide is there. Then 2:10, not in 2:10, after 2:10, between 2:10 and 2:15, it will be there will be a coincidence. Then by 3 hour, 3:16, 3:17, like that, between 3:15 and 3:20, there will be a coincidence. Like that, up to 10, there will be a coincidence. Then 11, and by 11:55, between 11:55 and 11:12, there will not be a coincidence. So total, there will be 11 times in 12 hours. So in a day, total 22 times will be the answer. Just for your clarification, you can watch YouTube. Just type this question: how many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? And just search in YouTube, you will get a picture or video like that. Okay, 22 will be the answers. And then next question, fourth question: how many times in a day are the hands of a clock in straight line but opposite in direction? That means the hour hand and minute hand makes an angle 180 degree. What will be the answer? How many times in a day are the hands of a clock in straight line but opposite in direction? Which option you choose? Option A 21, option B 22, option C 23, option D 24. Okay, let's discuss. Same here only. And after 12, the hour hand and minute hand will be in straight line. After 12, by 12:55, sorry, 12:35, like that. Not in 12:30. After 12:30, let it be 12:30, 33, like that. Then again in 1 o'clock, it will be in a straight line, 2 o'clock, like that. But while it comes in between 11 and 12, there will not be any straight line. So here also, in 12 hours, only 11 times is possible. So in 24 hours, it's 22 only. Okay. Just I will share the link of this question in YouTube. You can watch it, or just take your watch or clock, anything. Try for the answer. Okay. Then another question: how many times in a day are the hands of a clock in line? Same question: how many times in a day are the hands of a clock in line in a day. Okay. How many times in a day are the hands of a clock in line? Yes, L is correct, 44 times. Actually, inline means it may be making an angle of 0 degree. That is, our hand and min hand in a line, or it can be in a line by just 180 degree. That means the sum of question number 3 and question number 4. Okay. Then next question, fifth question. How many times are the hands of a clock at right angles in a day? How many times are the hands of a clock at right angle in a day? Just imagine, right angle means 90 degree. Angle between our hand and min hand be 90 degree. Sri Lakshmi correct. Elvis, just do once more. Arun correct. Avina correct. Okay. It's 44 times. How many times are the hands of a clock at right angles in a day? It's 44. Option D. D is the answer. You have to study these 4 questions. Better to make it understand or by heart it. First question, how many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? Coincide means angle between our hand and min hand is 0 degree. It will be 22 times. Next question, how many times in a day? Make sure it's asked for 12 hours or 8 day in the question. Next question, how many times in a day are the hands of a clock in straight line but opposite in direction? Straight line means angle between our hand and min hand is 180 degree. It will be 22 times. Then next question, how many times do the hands of a clock in line in a day? In line in a day means maybe coincide or maybe in a straight line. So both chances, both the probabilities we can add. So in total, in line 44 times. Then next question, how many times are the hands of a clock at right angles in a day? That means angle between our hand and min hand makes the angle 90 degree. So it will be 44 times. Okay. Then next question. Question number 6. It's asked in 2020 placements for TCS. The air-conditioned bus service from Silseri Industry Park runs at regular intervals throughout the day. It is now 3:12 p.m. and it was arrived 1 minute ago, but it was 2 minutes late. The next bus is due at 3:18 p.m. When is the next bus due? What will be the answer? Elvis, good. Anjali, good, good. Okay, we can do. In the question, it's told that it is now 3:12 p.m. That is, present time is 3 hour 12 minutes, and it has arrived 1 minute ago. That means arrived time 3:11 p.m. and it was late by 2 minutes. So actual time is 3 hour 9 minutes. And it is said that the next bus is due at 3:18 p.m. So next bus is 3:18 p.m. So interval between these two buses is 9 minutes. So for next bus due 3:18 plus 9 minutes, that is 3:27 p.m. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay, good. Next question. Seventh question asked in HCL this year. At what angle the hands of a clock are inclined at 15 minutes past 5? I don't sound feel correct. Elvis, there we go, 67.5. Okay, correct answer. Good, good. Avina. Okay. Okay, let's go. At what angle the hands of a clock are inclined at 15 minutes past 5? That means time is 5:15. To find the angle, theta equal to modulus value of 30 h, 30 into h5 minus 11 by 2 into m, minutes 15. 30 into 5, 150 minus 11 into 15. 11 into 15, 15 into 11, 165. 165 divided by 2. 165 divided by 2, 150 minus 82.5. 82.5.5. 67.5. That means 67.5 in our option B. Okay. Next question. Okay. We can move to calendars topic. Calendar is just spare 15 minutes for some theory parts. After that, we can do some problems. So many variety problems have been asked for displacements. from this calendar topic. Just note down in a book what I am saying. In a calendar, number of days in an ordinary year. Number of days in an ordinary year equal to 365 days. Ordinary year means not a leap year, that's the meaning. Then next, number of days in a leap year, 366 days. That means in February 29 days will be there. Okay. Then next, the most important concept, odd days. For the time being, you just understand what is odd day. The odd day means the remainder of, if it is given certain number, let it be 365 itself. Find the number of odd days in 365 is the question. Means just divide what the number is given divided by 7 and take the remainder. Odd days means remainder of the given number divided by 7. 365 divided by 7 means 36. 7 into 5, 35. So we can properly divide it at 5 times, then 15. 2 times we get odd days as 1 day. 365 divided by 7, 5 times 35, again 15, 2 times 14, remainder is 1. This is the odd day. Okay. So the concept is, if a certain number of days are given, you have to find the odd days. Means just divide that given number by 7 and take the remainder. The remainder will give you the odd days. Is it clear? Say so, no? Okay. Then find the number of odd days in 366 days. That means in a leap year, find the number of odd days. Tell me the answer quickly. 2, obviously, because 365 days, 1 day means 366 days, 2 days. Okay, fine. Then next, leap year. Leap year means year in which 366 days. That means in February 29 days, that year will be a leap year. So there will be questions like this. From the given set of years, which year is a leap year? Or sometimes from the given set of options, which year is an ordinary year? This type questions will be asked. I will just say how to find the leap year. To find a leap year of an ordinary, just by example I will explain you. Is 1948 a leap year? Say so, no? 1948 leap year or not? If leap year, type Y. Is 1948 a leap year? Yes, obviously 1948 is a leap year. To find a leap year, you just divide last 2 digits. Divided by 4. If last 2 digits is a multiple of 4 or divisible by 4, then that year will be a leap year. 2004, is 2004 a leap year? S. Last two digit divided by 4, it is usable. Is 2007 a leap year? No, because divided by 4 is 07 divided by 4 is not a leap year. Then 1992 is 1992 a leap year? Just fine, divide by 4, 8, then 12 as leap year. It's leap year, not a leap year, leap year, leap year. Okay. So what we have learned now, to find a leap year, to find a year is leap year or not, we have to just divide the last two digits to check whether it is a multiple of 4. And if it is a multiple of 4, then it will be a leap year. Otherwise, it is not a leap year. But there is a slight change in century years. Century years means last two digits. Suppose 2000. Last two digits zeros. These years are we call normally as century years. For finding if a century year is leap year or not, we have to divide the whole year divided by 400. Will give you the answer. Okay. So 2000 is a leap year divided by 400. It will divide. Is 2100 a leap year or not? Say yes or no. 2100. No. Divided by 400, not a multiple. Then is 400 a leap year? Say yes or no. 400 a leap year or no? 400 is leap year. Okay. Then what about 200? Is 200 a leap year or not? Is the year 200 a leap year? No, obviously no, because the same function divided by 400, we will get a fraction. We have to get a whole number. Okay. So I think the concept is clear. So just a quick revision. First, we told a number of days in an ordinary year is 365 days. Then for a leap year, it will be 366 days. Then the concept of odd days. Odd days means just the remainder of the number given divided by 7. Okay, we have to take the remainder. Then leap year means once it's occurs in once in 4 years. To find whether a given year is leap year or not. For ordinary numbers, just divide the last two digits divided by 4. Just is multiple or divisible by 4, it is a leap year. Otherwise, not an ordinary year. For century years, divided by 4 is not working. For that, you should divide the whole number or whole year divided by 400. So that so we can conclude multiple of 400 numbers are leap years. Okay, fine. Next, find the number of odd days. Find the number of odd days in first 100 years. Find the number of odd days in first 100 years. Can you find? Minus 3, 100. Always odd days, the value will be between divided by a remainder of 7. I already told. So the value or the answer will be between 0 and 6. 124. If you get 124 or anything, just divide by 7. Is it 2? Okay, we can have a look into the answer. First, we want to divide these 100 years into ordinary years and leap year. So how many odd years will be there? For that, divide by 4. Leap year means once in 4 years. So 11 divided by 4, 100 divided by 4, 25. 25 will be the answer, but leap year equal, number of leap years is equal to 100 divided by 4, 25. But the 100th year, I have asked you to find the odd days in first 100 years. So the 100th year, 99, after 99, 100. 100th year is not a leap year, since 100 divided by 400 is not a multiple or divisible by 400. So 100th year is not a leap year. So -1. 24 years in total. Number of leap years in first 100 years is equal to 24 years. Is it correct? Are you clear? Okay. So this 100 years we can split into 100 minus 24, 76 ordinary year and 24 leap year. Okay. Then for one ordinary year, okay, Paulson Peter, 76 plus 24 into 2. Okay. 24 into 2, what will be the answer? 76 plus 48. Okay. But you should find odd days means you should divide it by 7. Whatever answer you got, you should divide it by 7 and you should take the remainder. That means the value, the odd days value must be in between 0 and 6, both inclusive. That means the odd days can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, the options will be like that only. Okay, then we can just do 76 ordinary year and 24 leap year. For an ordinary year, 365 days are there. 365 divided by 7. Remainder we got at 1 day. So number of odd days in one ordinary year is, we already discussed, 1 day. So for 76 ordinary year, 76 into 1 equal to 76. For leap year, for one leap year, there will be 2 odd days. 366 divided by 7. Remainder of 366 divided by 7, 2 days. So for 24 leap year, 24 into 2 equal to 48. So total in 100 years, 76 plus 48, 6, 12, 14, 124. So 124 divided by 7, 7 one time, then 54, 49 7 time, remainder 5. So in first 100 years, there will be 5 odd days. 100 years, odd days will be 5 days. Is it clear? Say so no? Okay, then can you find the number of odd days in first 200 years? Find the number of odd days in first 200 years. Avina, correct. Maria, correct. Okay. No need to take it from the scratch. Just for first 100 years, we know the answer is 5. So next 100 years, it will be 5 days only, because 200th year also is not a leap year. So for first 100 years, 5 days. So for first 200 years, 5 into 2, 10 days, divided by 7, remainder will be 3 days. Is it clear? Say so, no? Okay, fine. Then can you find the number of odd days for first 300 years? Same pattern. Find the number of odd days for first 300 years. Correct, your answer is correct, 1 day. For first 100 years, it will be 5 days. So for 300 years, 5 into 3 equal to 15 days. Take the remainder, 15 divided by 7, 14, and 1 day. Remainder 1. So the odd day will be 1 day. Then can you find the number of odd days for first 400 years? Find the number of odd days for first 400 years. Please keep in mind, 400th year is a leap year. Okay, 0 will be the answer. For first 100 years, 5 days. So for next 400 years, 5 into 4, 20, plus 400th year, that means 400 by 400. So it is a leap year. We already told 400th year is a leap year. So we have to add 1. Since for leap year, the number of odd days is 2. We already, in this 5 into 4, we already combined it 1. So balance 1, we took it as plus 1. 5 into 4, 20, plus 1, 21 days. 21 days equal to 21 divided by 7, 0 day. So from this, number of odd days in first 100 years is equal to 5 days. First 200 years is equal to 3 days. Then first 300 years is equal to 1 day. Then for first 400 years, it will be 0 days. Is it clear? Okay. Then can you find number of odd days in the month of January? Number of odd days in the month of January. Yes, answer is 3. For the month with days 31, the number of odd days will be 3. So if a month have 31 days, then odd days will be 31 divided by 7. Remainder of 31 divided by 7, that is 28. 7 for 28. Balance 3. For 30 days, it will be 2 odd days. For February with 28 days, number of odd days will be 0. For February with 29 days, number of odd days is equal to 1. Is it clear? Okay, then we can move to the question parts. First question. Which of the following is not a leap year? Which of the following is not a leap year? This answer is 700. Given all years are century years, so we have to divide it by 400. So option B, option C, option D are multiples of 400. So answer is 700, which is not. You have just to read the question thoroughly. Which one is asked? Which of the following is not a leap year or is a leap year? That's all. So answer option A. Correct. Next question. January 1, 2007 was Monday. What day of the week lies on January 1, 2008? After 1 year. Exactly after 1 year. What will be the answer? Is it Saturday? Yes, correct. January 1, 2007. January 1, 2007. Monday. We are asked to find January 1, 2008. So in between, 365 days are there. So number of odd days will be 365 divided by 7. And how many odd days will be there? 365 divided by 7. 1 odd day. Okay. So Monday plus 1 will be the answer. Tuesday. Okay. Then same question. What will be the day when the January 1, 2009? If January 1, 2007 is Monday, or take it as January 1, 2008 is Tuesday, then find January 1, 2009. Which will be the answer? Thursday is the answer. You have to check whether it is a leap year or not. Here, 2008. So it is leap year. So this year contains 366 days. Okay. So 366 divided by 7, the remainder will be 2 days. So Tuesday plus 2. Thursday will be the answer. Okay. Then suppose January 1, 2009 is Thursday. Find the day of June 6th, 2009. January 1, 2009 is Thursday. Find the day of June 6th, 2009. Friday, Wednesday, Sunday. Okay, let's find. January 1, 2009 is Thursday, and June 6th, we have to find June 6, 2009, same year. So we have to find the number of odd days between January 1 and June 6th. For January month, number of odd days will be 31 divided by 7, 3 days. February only 28 days, so 0. March 31 days, 3. Then March, April 30 days, 2 odd days. May again 31 days, 3 days. June 6 days. We have to add these 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, then total 3 plus 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 17 days. Altogether 17 divided by 7, 14. 3 odd days. We get the answer as 3 odd days. So Thursday plus 3. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday will be the answer. Is this clear? Up to these questions, I think I have done 4 questions. Are you clear? Basic concepts only needed. Okay, I think all are clear. Next question. On 8th December 2007, Saturday falls. What day of the week was it on 8th December 2006? Elvis, do it once more. Okay, sorry. Correct. Okay, Friday will be the answer. Here it is given 8th December 2007, Saturday. Then what day of the week was it on? 8th December 2006. So number of days in between 2006 and 7 is 365 days. Then we have to ask, we are trying to ask the previous year. Here it is given the reference as 2007, and we have to find the previous date. That means 2006. So Saturday minus the difference. Remainder of 365 divided by 7, that is minus 1. Saturday minus 1. Answer will be Friday. In the previous question, the future date is asked, so we add the odd days. Here we are asked to get the past date. So we have to subtract. Is it clear? Okay, next question. The calendar for the year 2007 will be the same for the year. The calendar for the year 2007 will be the same for the year. That means what the calendar 2007 is, it exactly must be equal to some other 2017. Is it 2017? Yes, 2018 is the correct answer. Here also the odd day concept is we are using. I think those who got 2017, they considered 2007 also. Don't consider that. we have to find from 2000, because 2007 means December 31st. Then we have to find the next year. So in 2008, we are actually finding how many number of days in between this 2007 and 2000. Next, what we have to find that year, that we don't know. But for number of days, then total we have to find, if we are considering 365, then 2009, sorry, 366. 2009 it is 365, then 2010 it is 365. We have to find, take the sum, whole sum, and then we have to take the odd days. As a shortcut, we can do like this. 2008, number of odd days will be, what will be the number of odd days in 2008? 366 days are there. So for 366 days, 2 odd days will be there. Then 2009, 365 days. 2010, 1 odd day. 2011, 1 odd day. 2012, 2 odd days. 2013, just look to your options. It has been asked up to 2018, so we can just write up to that. 2014, 1 odd day. 2015, 1 odd day. 2016, 2 odd days. 2017, 1 odd day. 2018, 1 odd day. We have to find the sum, and which is equal to 7 or multiple of 7. The answer will be that year. Okay, so 2008, 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we get 7, but look, this year 2012, it is a leap year, and 2007 is not a leap year. So again, we have to add up to 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2018, we get the sum as 14. So 7 or multiple of 7 will be the answer. So 2007 will be, the calendar of 2007 is the same as 2018. In this type of questions, we have to check whether the given year is leap year or not, and just take the answer like that one. Okay, is it clear? Say yes or no? Okay, then we can move to next question. Today is Monday. After 61 days, it will be. Today is Monday. After 61 days, it will be. Okay, good. That's good. Or same concept, or days concept itself. Monday plus 61 days. For 61 days, we can reduce by 61 divided by 7. Remainder will be 5 odd days. That means Monday plus 5 days. It will be Saturday. Okay. Then next question. It was Sunday on January 2006. What was the day of the week January 1, 2010? Is asked to find the day of January 1, 2010. Okay, Friday. The option C is the answer. Given it was Sunday on January 1, 2006. Then we have to find January 1, 2010. So find the number of, as usual, so find the number of odd days in between January 1, 2006 and January 1, 2010. January 1, 2007. Between January 1, 2006 and January 1, 2007. And 2006 is not a leap year, so number of odd days is equal to 1. Then between January 1, 2007 and January 1, 2008, again plus 1. Then between January 1, 2008 and January 1, 2009, it will be plus 2 since 2008 is a leap year. Again, we have to find January 1, 2010. So from January 1, 2009 to January 1, 2010 plus 1. So total 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5. That is Sunday plus 5 will be the answer. Sunday plus 5 will be the answer. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday will be the answer. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Then we can move to next question. What was the day of the week on 28 May 2006? Okay, before going to that question, I'll just introduce this method. Today, I think today's date is 24/7/2020. I'm going to find the day. (24/7/2020). First, we have to find the number of odd days till December 31st, December 2019. Then rest of the days we can find the odd days. Okay. Up to 2019, how many odd days are there? From 0, the year 1, from the beginning to 2019. Okay. For that, we can reduce this years by multiple of 400. That means 2000 plus 90. Okay. Again, in this 19, how many leap year will be there? In this 19 years, how many leap years will be there? Type your answer. 4, obviously 4. 19 divided by 4, 16. So 4. That means 2000. I took this 2000 since it is a multiple of 400, nearest multiple of 400. So 2000 plus 4 leap year plus remaining 15 ordinary year. Okay. 19 minus 4, 15 ordinary year. We have told, already I told that first 400 years, number of odd days in first 400 years is equal to 0. So number of odd days in first 2000 years. What will be the answer? Type your answer. Obviously 0. Since first 400 years is number of odd days in first 400 years is equal to 0. Multiple of 400. That means 2000, first 2000 years, number of odd days is equal to 0 itself. Okay, fine. So 0 plus 4 leap years means 4 into One leap year contains 2 odd days, so 4 into 2, 8. 8 odd days. 15 into ordinary year means 1. 15 into 1, 15. 15 plus 8, 23 odd days. We have to divide by 7 and take the remainder, 21, then 2 odd days. Got this concept, yes or no? Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, please. Okay, I will repeat. We have to find the day. Okay, I will repeat. Please. I'm going to find the day. Today's date 24/7 2020. I have no any other reference. I am not having any other reference. So from the scratch itself, I am going to start. We already know the odd days. That means first 100 years, and then first 200, first 300, all we already found. For the number of odd days in first 400 years is equal to number of odd days in first 400 years is equal to 0. We already found. Okay. Then for finding this date, we have to find how many odd days are there from the day 1. Here also 1 to 24/7 2020. We have to find this. In order to reduce these complex additions, we already know number of odd days in 400 years is 0. So it will be cyclic only. 400 years, first 400 years, 0. First 100 years, it is 5 days. Then 200 years, it is 3 days. 300 years, it is 1 day. Then 400, it is 0. 500, it will be 5 days. 600, it will be 3 days. 700, it will be 1 day. 800, it will be 0. That means it is just as a cyclic 5, 3, 1, 0. So we know the multiple of 400, it will be up to 400, it will be multiple of 400, it will be 0 only. So we can reduce this 2020 into like this 2000 plus up to 2019 December 31st plus remaining from 01/01 2022 24/7 2020. We have to find this number of odd days. So for 2000 it will be 0 odd days up to 2000. Then for 2000 up to 2001 to 2019, there will be 4 leap year. Leap years means 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016. There are 4 leap years. Plus 15 ordinary years are there. Then balance as it is. Just put as of now. 0 plus 1 leap year means 2 odd days. So 8 leap year, 8 odd days plus 15 into 1. 1 ordinary year on means 365 days. Elvis, you are correct. Okay, you are correct. Then 15 ordinary years, 15 odd days will be there. So we get the total 8 plus 15, 23. Divided by 7, remainder will be 2 odd days. That means number of odd days up to 31st December 2019 is 2 odd days. Is it clear? Say so no? If anyone have doubt, please type no. Is it clear? Okay, I think all are clear. Okay, so we find number of odd days up to 31st December 2019. Then we have to find this part. From January 2020 to 24/7/2020. Okay, we just find the number of odd days in each month. That means January 2020. January means 31 days, so odd days, number of odd days 3. February 2020, since it is a leap year, 1. March 2020, 3 odd days. Then April, 2 odd days, March, April, May, June, July up to 24 only we have to find. So 24, better 24 divided by 7, remainder 3. Okay, or take it as 24 itself, then add, no problem. Just add this 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2, so 9, 12, 15, 17. 17 plus the previous 2, 19. We got the answer as 19. Again, the whole number is divided by 7 to get the remainder. 14, 5 odd days. Okay, is it clear up to this? Say so now. Yes, okay, fine. Okay, we get the answer as 5 odd days. Then 0 means Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, in that order only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 6. 6 will be Saturday. 3, 4, 5. So we get the answer as 5. So Friday. Today is Friday. So 24/7 to 2020 will be Friday. Got it? Okay. Then I think you can do this problem. Question number 7 you can do. After that, I will tell the answer once more. So if anybody have doubts, you can clear that time. Okay? Just do that. What was the day of the week on 28th May 2006? What was the day of the week on 28th May 2006? Okay, good. Anjali, Devika, Mistry, Abhishek, Maria, Avena. Good, good. I think the concept is clear for you. Okay, I will start doing this. We have to find 28 May 2006. As a first step, we have to find the number of odd days till 31st December 2005. As a multiple of 400, I put 2000 plus 5 can be divided into 2000 plus 1 leap year plus 4 ordinary year. Okay, as we know, the number of odd days up to 2000 is equal to 0 plus 1 leap year means 1 into 2 odd days plus 4 into 1, as ordinary year have 1 odd day. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Okay, then we have to find the number of odd days from January 1, 2006 to 28 May 2006. Okay. So in the month of January 2006, 3 odd days will be there. Then February 2006, only 28 days, so 0. March 2006, 3 odd days. April 2006, 30 days, so 2 odd days. March, April, May. May up to May 28 day 2006. Up to 28 May 2006, we have to find the odd days. 28 divided by 7, remainder 0. So we have to add 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 divided by 7, remainder is equal to 0. So 0 means Sunday. In the order itself, 0 means Sunday, 1 means Monday. Okay, like that only. So we get the answer as 0. So here, option D. Are you clear? Say so now. If you have any doubts, please type N. Okay, all are clear. Okay. Next question. In a particular year, the month of January had exactly 4 Thursdays and 4 Sundays. On which day of the week did January 1st occur in the year? January has 4 Thursdays and 4 Sundays only. So you have to find the day, January 1st. What will be the answer? Just draw a rough sketch of a calendar. No shortcuts are there. Exactly 4 Thursdays and 4 Sundays. Okay. So if I mark 1 as Monday, then January means 31 days are there. Surely there will be 5 Sundays. But in the question, it is asked as there will be 4 Sundays. So I am sure 1st January is not Sunday. So I take for 1st Monday, 1st January as Monday. Then if Monday, our Sunday will be only 4 days. That I am sure. Then just we can do like that. 1 Monday means the next Monday will be 1 plus 7, 8. Then 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. Okay. Then if 29 is Monday, 30 Tuesday, 31 Wednesday. So anyway, Thursday only 4 Thursdays are there. Moreover, Sundays also only 4. Since 1 January 1 is Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is Sunday. Okay. Then 7, 14, we can make sure 21, 28. So only 4 Sundays and also Thursday up to this only, so 4. So in this question, on which day of the week did January 1st occur? January 1st. will be on Monday. Are you clear? Say yes or no? Okay, fine. Then I think last question. This last question. How many days are there in X weeks and X days? Type your answer. Very simple question. What is your answer? Tell me. How many days are there in X weeks and X days? Yes, correct. Correct. 8x. X weeks and X days. So X weeks means how many days? X into in one week 7 days are there. X into 7 plus X days is equal to 7x plus X 8x. Total 8x days. Okay. Option B. Hope it's clear for you. Okay. You have from today's topic, I am sure you have to study only these questions and the concepts only. You can refer this. I will upload the video soon within 2 days, 2 or 3 days. I can upload. Only you need to study only these topics and these questions. I have covered almost all 99% of the variety questions I have included in this session. So you need only to study what I told in this 1.5 hours. Okay. Then exam is class of 18th July. 18th July means which can you please tell me the last Saturday? I think I already uploaded in. I think I already uploaded. Just I just make sure. Some students, some GATE students have difficulty in logging to the live videos. Okay, then no problem. I can make it today itself, and I will pass the message in the group also. Okay, no problem. Okay, is there any doubt? Please make sure you are writing the online exams before time. I think I can move forward without blocking the exams. One exam is active now. I forgot the topic. I think last topic is active now. You can write the exam. If you face any difficulty, please message or call me. I can rectify that. Please try to write all exams. Otherwise, it is waste of time. Exam is very important. I think the class importance is only 40%. Next 60% is up to you. You have to practice more. So you have to do regular exams. Online exams only help you. Okay, I think I am planning to make a rank list on each topic and distribute through WhatsApp, so you can know the rank or where you are standing. Okay. Okay, now we can wind up today's session. Thank you all.